Wathinda thina, wathinda bangasokufa, safa saphenduka saphenduka nje bovu.
Wathinda thina,
Wemono,
wathinda
mone.
Illuminate yourself, align with the current affairs, have facts, and be reasonable. On this video, we are going to talk about the Economic Freedom Fighters EFF march to the Constitutional Court on the 28th of November 2025. Fellow South Africans, Africans, and everybody else, the Economic Freedom Fighters have opened a case in the Constitutional Court after the ANC members in parliament had voted against any specific action to be taken against President Cyril Ramaphosa as a result of a lots of amount of money in dollars were found in a Phala farm of President Cyril Ramaphosa, and the Economic Freedom Fighters demand that Cyril Ramaphosa be held accountable for that money. Now, this month of November, it is exactly a year since which the case has been brought to the Constitutional Court, and the Constitutional Court have never made any decision around that. As it stands, the Economic Freedom Fighters is not saying the Constitutional Court must come to a particular conclusion. They just say it must make a findings. It must make a decision. It is a year now. There is nothing that Constitutional Court is saying in that regard. Now the Economic Freedom Fighters will be marching to say, we want the findings to be made. We went to the court. We want the court to tell us what is it saying about what has happened. What is it saying about the charges that we brought against President Cyril Ramaphosa, of which, among others, we said it was irrational for the ANC members to have voted against whatever was requested to have happened. And as a result, we see that as a cover-up. Now, in a bigger space, fellow South African, there is a question that I want to pose. There is a tendency in South Africa that when there is a certain matter that need protest, a march, etc., then that is aligned to a specific group of people. Do South Africans have interest on the Phala matter? Now, if that's the case, is it correct when there will be a march, then that march must be aligned to a particular group of people? For example, this is a march of EFF. Shouldn't be this march or anything of that kind be for all South Africans? When will South Africans stop separating the incident of a particular matter on which they have interest and then align them to a specific group of people? Isn't that the other way of dividing us, of which we end up being used? Because when the others are standing up and protesting or marching, the others are folding hands, not specifically only in regard to EFF. That's what is happening, because in the previous video, I did talk about the failure of the 17th of November shutdown march and the previous others, because others, when the others are marching or protesting on the same matter that they have the interest, others sit back and fold their arms. Even others wish that those other ones must fail on their attempt to protest for a particular matter, of which is of the interest of all of us. How must we deal with the issue of the march and the protest in our country of South Africa? Shouldn't we be doing everything together and put our political differences aside any of such matters? Is it correct to say the Constitutional Court is holding back a very important information for so long, and then they decided that it will be up to infinity, maybe up until Cyril Ramaphosa is not president of the country, maybe in 2029. How long are they going to take before they make a findings in that regard? Not necessarily a findings against him, any finding. Just give a finding to show that they are in control and they can make a decision so that we can be able to establish what is their reasoning surrounding that. Because they are facing a problem of that after they will have make a findings later on when those files in regard to the Pala comes up around, it will be contradicting to the decision that the court might have made if they make a decision that will protect him. And I've heard there's a notion that to say it is not favorable to make a finding or send a president to prison when he's still a sitting president. I don't know whether it's a law that says that or it is our practice to say don't take any president to prison or to court for major situations when he's still a sitting president. Is it why the Constitutional Court is not making any decisions against Cyril Ramaphosa for now? Let us hear what you say on the comment sections. Should we only, even if it's a matter of national interest, those ones that are marching or protesting, it's up to them. If we also have the interest, we'll protest ourselves the other day. And then as a result, we are not standing together as South Africans on the matter that have influence on all of us. Thanks very much for watching the video.